Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valerie Dison and I am doing a spotlight with gold eyeshadow look today. And if you want to see how I created this beautiful eyeshadow look, then just keep on watching. Alright, I'm going to start off with the Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm going in with the Cypress Umber color and the Burnt Orange. And then I'm going in with my Colourpop QAF palette, colors Chatterfur and Buttercake. And I'm just going to use my Urban Decay All Nighter foundation to set as a base, and then I'm blending out with a sponge. Then I'm going in with my Tarte Confidence foundation powder and to set it. And then I'm using those colors. This is the brown Cypress Umber from the Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm going with it in the inner corner of my eye. And then I'm going to do little circular motions on the other side, and then just make it more pigmented, packing it on, then blending it out. Then I'm going in with the Yes Please palette, as I said before, and using the, I think it's called Chatterfur and Buttercake, and I'm just mixing those two colors together to make the perfect golden type of glitter shadow or shimmery shadow. And then I'm just blending it out, and I am going to go in with the Burnt Orange color from the Modern Renaissance palette. It is called Burnt Orange, and I'm going to put it in like a made up type of crease. This is good for when you have hooded eyelids like me. You are going to make basically your own crease and just put it where you can be able to see it when you have your eyes open. I'm just going to continue doing these few little things until I am 100% satisfied with the overall look. Now I'm going in with my Kicks eyeliner. And I forgot to show you that I was using my Darling False Lash Kicks mascara on my bottom lashes. And then I'm going in with the WLEEC Beauty Wish lashes, and I am also using the Kiss Lash Strip Lash Adhesive for my glue. Now I'm going in with my Colourpop highlighter in the color FLEXITARIAN and just dabbing that on the inner corners of my eyes. And that is the completed eyeshadow look. Alright, this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed this eyeshadow look today I created. Yes, I really got inspired. I wanted to use that burnt orange color from the Modern Renaissance palette, and then I got also inspired by something I saw on Pinterest, and then I created this look. So I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget, I will have a giveaway going on soon on my channel. It's going to be uploaded sometime next month, so stay tuned for that. I promise you it's going to be a good one. It's going to be a little bit better than last time. I went all out with this one a little bit more than last time. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for that giveaway. And I will see y'all next time, buddies.